Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, my lovely students. Today, inshallah, I will teach you Super Goal 3, Super Goal 6, sorry, for the third intermediate grade in the second semester. So today, inshallah, we will still in chapter expansions. As you can see, it means a revision from Unit 1 to Unit 3. Today, inshallah, we will take a reading. As you can see here, reading. Look, what do we have here? Aptitude and IQ. What is the difference? So we have a two tests, okay? We have a two tests and we have a two main ideas, as you can see. So now we will read and we will notice what is the difference between these two tests. So are you ready? Very good. So let's start.
It's 1 through 3. Page 34. 2. Reading. Aptitude and IQ. What's the difference? Aptitude tests. Nowadays, millions of people, young and old, use aptitude tests to help them decide on a career path or career change. Many employers also find them useful in their selection of new employees. Aptitude tests can be particularly beneficial for high school students who are uncertain about what career path they should follow. Very few adolescents have a clear idea of what they want to do when they grow up. They often don't know where to begin searching for a job, let alone realize the vast number of career options that are available. Career aptitude tests can help steer students in the right direction by assessing their natural abilities. What is aptitude? First, aptitude should not be confused with academic knowledge, skills, personal interests, or intelligence. Aptitudes are natural talents, special abilities for learning to do certain tasks quickly and easily. Skills and knowledge are learned, but aptitude is something you are born with. For example, an accountant who has learned the skills for the job, but has an aptitude for something else, will probably find his work unrewarding and difficult. On the other hand, someone who knows nothing about accounting may have the aptitude to learn the necessary skills quickly and easily. A career aptitude test determines someone's strengths, weaknesses, and natural ability to perform and succeed in certain professions. Common areas of testing are logical reasoning, mathematical ability, mechanical understanding, spatial awareness, and communication. The results are best when combined with interest and personality tests to assess what types of work a person would most likely enjoy and perform well. IQ tests. IQ stands for Intelligence Quotient. The typical IQ test produces a score that compares the test taker's cognitive ability to the general population. A score between 90 and 110 is average, and a score over 130 shows exceptional intelligence, a genius. So what exactly does an IQ test measure? More simply, it assesses the ability to understand concepts and solve different types of problems using logic. This includes spatial ability, mathematical reasoning, language ability, and memory. A simple math question might be, Ben bought 3 books for $5 each with a 20% discount. How much did he pay? IQ tests, however, are not particularly useful in career planning. 2 people with the same IQ may have very different aptitudes. Occupations of famous people with high IQs include authors, journalists, businessmen, scientists, inventors, computer specialists, lawyers, cartoonists, actors, boxing champions, and race car drivers.
Okay, my lovely students, let's now move to the second page here. Okay, we have here some new vocabularies. So let's read them and see. Complete with the correct word. We have here 6 definitions. 6 definitions with some words. So we will read the definitions and we will choose the correct term. So look what do we have here. Number one, something that is helpful or good for you is, what do you think? Very good. It will be beneficial. C. Number two, when you use something, you measure it is available, importance, or a size. So what do you think? Very good. It will be assess. P. Number three, when you put two or more things together, you're combine. Okay, very good. Number four, the level that is typical of or normal is average. Very good. If it is like a normal, so it will be average. When you think two things are connected by mistake, you confuse. Okay, very good. You confuse one thing with another. When you understand the general idea, you understand the concepts like the idea. Concepts like the idea. Then look what do we have here. Answer true or false. Okay. Number one, million million of people use aptitude tests to get job. No, they don't use it to get job. They use it to know what is the appropriate job for them. Okay, very good. Number two, some people use aptitude tests to hire new employees. So yes, very good. So we will say here yes. Number three, must high school students know what job they want to do? Of course not. They're still young, they don't know. Number four, aptitude is someone's natural ability to perform certain tasks well. Yes, it will be true. Excellent. Number five, genie. A genius is person with an IQ of more than 130. Yes. Number six, people with the same IQ have a similar talents. No, very good. Then let's now move to the second page here. Look what do we have here. Chant along career. Career path. So what does career path? Career, it's like a job, okay? Teacher, a doctor, nurse, engineer, and so on. It is career, like a job, okay? Path, it's like a way. So, okay, my lovely students, now I will turn on the audio for this. I want you to listen and follow.
Page 36. 4. Chant along. Career path. You should choose a career that you'll find rewarding, a satisfying line of work that you'll never find boring. If you attend university, you will obtain a degree. You will have qualifications to earn a high salary. Now let's look at your interests. Let's test your IQ. What are you adept at? What occupation is right for you?
What is the right job for me? I just don't know what I should be. I am still in high school. I'm only 16 and a half. How can I choose a lifelong career? Do I have to decide by next year? Please give me some guidance. Help me choose the right path.
Well, you could be a carpenter who designs chairs and tables. How about an electrician who repairs overhead cables? A race car driver. Now that's really exciting. Be an author or a journalist who is gifted at writing. Choose a profession or a vocation. Pilot, baker, lawyer, dentist, teacher, plumber, chef, accountant,
artist, engineer, scientist. What is the right job for me? I just don't know what I should be. I am still in high school. I'm only 16 and a half. How can I choose a lifelong career? Do I have to decide by next year? Please give me some guidance. Help me choose the right path.
Okay, my lovely students, let's now do the exercise of this passage. Look, what do we have here? We have here some vocabularies with their meanings. So match the words with the meanings. The first word that we have, it is rewarding. So it will be C, satisfying. If you are satisfying, if you like your job, you don't want to choose it, you don't want to change it, so it will be satisfying. Number two, to obtain. It will be E, to get something with effort, okay? If you do something to get it, so it will be to obtain, so it will be E. Number three, qualifications. It will be D, skills or knowledge for job, okay, like certifications, okay, very good, D. Number four, salary, very good, it will be P, regular payment for work, for example, like money, salary like money, okay, it will be B, bravo. Number five, look what do we have here, to be adept at, it will be F, to be good at, okay, if you are good at something, so you will be to be adept at. Number six, guidance, like advice, okay, it will be A. Okay, my lovely students, look what do we have here. Find five words or expressions in the chant that mean a type of job. We have a career, it's like a job, line of work, it looks like a job, or it has the same meaning of job. Occupation, profession, vocation, okay, these words, they have the same meaning as job. Now look what do we have here. Answer yes or no. The boy knows what career he will follow. No, he doesn't know. He asked what I should to do and so on. We will say no. Number two, the boy is asking for advice. Yes, he asking for advice. Number three, the boy has already graduated from high school. No, he's still a student actually. As you can see here, he's still a student. Look here. I am still in high school. Okay, so he is still a student. Number four, the career advisor suggests a variety of occupations. Yes, so he says you can be teacher, you can be doctor, you can be engineer, you can be chef, artist, and so on. The last one, the career advisor tells the boy which occupations is the best. No, he doesn't say that. Then look what do we have. Complete three sentences about the occupations. Okay, let's say, or the job. A carpenter is someone who designs chairs and tables. Very good. Electrician is someone who repairs overhead cables. A journalist is someone who's gifted by at writing. Okay, my lovely students, actually we are done. So thank you so much. Have a nice